Good morning, good evening, traders. Caroline Alizan here, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Wednesday, October 25th of 2011, and we are looking at the Q's daily chart. And check this out. Look what happened here today. Another wild day on the markets today. We are crashing and burning today, breaking through the 8 moving average, which you see here in green, and we are closing the day below the 8 moving average, which means that we could head lower, breaking through that next area of support down below here, the 56, about the 56.90 mark, and then we could head all the way down to the 200-day moving average, which you see here in blue, and it's at the 56.34. So that's what it is. But the other thing that I really see here happening is that we are forming our first lower high and our first lower low. That is today. That's what we formed today. We went higher and we closed the day lower than yesterday. So that is another indication of some bears coming into play. But the other thing that's also bearish to me is that we are starting to form that M formation that I mentioned to you a couple of days ago. M stands for murder. So keep your eye on everything I'm going to share here with you. So that is just the beginning on that formation, okay? But in order for us to really play that game, and for that formation, for that M formation, if we ever form it correctly, to be confirmed, we would have to break through not only this 56.90 mark, also the 200-day moving average, the 56.34, and also that low of October 20th, which was at the 55.79. We'll have to break through all of them here and through the low of October 20th, which was again the 55.79 mark, and then we'll have to close below it. And from then on, we could head lower to the next area of support at about 55.40. The next big one would be right here at about 54.67, which is right pretty much at the 50-day moving average, which you see here in red, and that's at the 54.63. That's the 50-day moving average. And then if we ever continue lower, we could get all the way down to that next area of support down here at about 53.80. So that's all areas of support for you to watch if we ever form that M formation on our chart. So that is something for you to really watch, okay, and look for. But if we do not continue lower, we could head higher, breaking through that upper area of resistance right here, the 58.90 mark, and all the other ones right above that I mentioned to you yesterday. So pay close attention to those on our way up if we ever try to push it all the way up. Okay, so that is significant. The things that I'm sharing here with you are going to help you big time. So pay close attention to those. And check this out. Look at the MACD. The MACD is traveling south. It is getting closer and closer to the zero line. Okay, so it's confirming that down move here. It's pointing south, so that is a pretty good confirmation. We're getting closer and closer to the zero line. But in terms for us to get bearish again, we would have to cross the zero line and enter into a bearish territory, which is right below the zero line. So you should already know this, but I'm just stressing that to you so that you know exactly what we're expecting and what we would like to see, what I want to see happening. All right, and then volume again is picking up a little bit on any down day, so that's another good confirmation. So that's all that I have here for you for today. So hope it helps you and you just get some information off of those little videos, and I hope they benefit you and you just learn something from them. But yeah, if you would like to just leave me a comment right below the video and just let me know if this information is any help to you. I will really appreciate it. Alright, so have a wonderful day, evening, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.